Hello and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. In this video we will show you step-by-step instructions on how to change a Carefree Omega version 2. This Omega model didn't have a valance flap off the end. Instead it had an aluminum cover over the roller tube enclosing the fabric. For this project you'll need a ladder, a drill, a locking oil filter wrench, some silicone, and an extra set of hands. Let's get started. First, be sure the vertical stabilizing locks on both sides are locked in the down position. This is to prevent it from deploying as a window shade while you're changing the material. Next, we are going to remove the two screws on both sides that secure the cover over the fabric and the roller tube. Remove the cover and set it aside. Now, we're going to unwind the material completely and secure the roller tube with a pair of fuel filter vice grips. Next, remove the set screws that secure the fabric to the coach. You can now have your helper pull out the old fabric. Be sure to use silicone or soapy water on both the roller tube and the channel on the coach to ease entry of the new material. Now we are ready to install our new material. Just slide it on the coach side, then the roller tube side, about 12 inches at a time. Be sure not to force it, just take it nice and easy. Be sure to replace your pull straps. Now we can take off the vice grips and let it wind up. Be sure the straps are straight, or you will run into the same problem we had. Not to worry, this is an easy fix. Just unwind and be sure they go straight and a little slower this time. Now we can reinstall our cover over the roller tube. Let's not forget the screws that secure the cover and the ones that secure the fabric to the coach. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our products, to place an order, or to watch more of our videos, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com.